when you scan it on the RFID scanner, the gate and the door open. And when you scan the wrong one, they close and it buzzes. And then also, if you hover your hand over the house, it makes a different buzzing noise.
So what we learned was about sensors, and sensors are basically, they sense light through objects. So you can see that when I put this sensor close to my hand, it blinks. But then if I put it near black, it doesn't blink because it uses reflection, and black cannot reflect any light.
Aerobotics Global has really helped me with coding and seeing the real world applications that can be used with Arduino.
Okay.